So when you jump out first, you better blast. Yeah, we don't like slow shit, don't hit them switches fast.
Good morning. Hey, boo. How are you? It's your cousin, ShavenJ. How are you today? What is up, y'all? It is Friday, October the 1st. And I work from home on Mondays and Fridays. And I'm up doing financials. I've been up since like 6:15 or something like that. So I just want to say good morning and try to get a quick look vlog in for y'all today. So I might kind of record what I'm doing, but blur out the numbers and just take y'all on my day at home. So yeah, we'll see how that works out, but hopefully I will see y'all later. And where am I supposed to be looking at? Is it here? Is it there? I don't know, I'll figure it out. But yes, good morning, y'all. Don't forget to have a great day. It's Friday. Turn up, girl. Go get you a drink, okay? Go get you some wine. Chill with the girls. Have some girl talk. And fuck the nigga, okay? Period. I am sitting in the car waiting on my mom. She called me and asked me to do lunch with her today. That's what I'm about to do. I went ahead and took a break from work so that I can do that. I'll probably be gone a little over an hour. What he look like? He look like he kind of cute. He just left the gym. He's kind of cute. But anyway, my break is probably gonna be a little over an hour, but that's okay because I'll be working this weekend. So it'll make up for that probably 30 minutes that I'll be gone. But yeah, I'm about to go eat with my mom, and I will put the location of where I'm at probably in the next slide so that you guys can visit if you're ever in Memphis too, or if you've never been and you already live in Memphis, y'all can come visit, girl, because it's bomb, okay? Period.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in images on replay. Still right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and still right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around.
Okay, y'all, I have made it back home from Target. I almost at Walmart. I'm just gonna show y'all the 4 little items that I got. I got this Dove spray. It's awesome. I think it was $6.49. I tried to put the prices for everything, record the prices for everything while I was in Target, but yeah, just in case y'all missed it. I got my favorite baby oil. It's the Shaven cocoa butter, and it smells so fucking good. I think that this was about $5 or $6. It was just kind of stuck, and it was stocked in between the shelf instead of like on the actual shelf. so there wasn't a price by it, but I think it was like $6. I got the Dr. Teal's Cannabis Sativa Hemp Seed Oil. Y'all, I seen this on Facebook and I've been wanting to try it. And before I seen it, I seen the melatonin one. And then I looked down and I ended up seeing this one. This was $4.89, I believe. I can't wait to try it. It is new. I knew Target would have it because they have all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna take a bath with this Cannabis Sativa oil, and I'm going to also use this Dr. Teal's melatonin Epsom salt. Who's gonna sleep good tonight is me, period. Okay, and then I'm gonna let y'all know how this works out. Okay, I'm excited. It's crazy how you get older and you be excited for super shit like getting Epsom salt. I guess. But yeah, so the rest of this video is probably just gonna be me winding down for the night. I did go to work. I worked from I think like 7:20 to like 3:15 or something like that. And then I got off, got a money order for the red, came home, went to see somebody, and then went to Target. I went to Taco Bell to get a nacho bel grande with no beans, extra meat, and jalapenos. Okay, period. Because if you're not customizing your order at fast food restaurants, what are you doing? Okay, that's the only way they're gonna make that shit fresh. Okay, I'm gonna say so, but hopefully me watch this vlog too. But yeah, so the rest of the vlog is gonna be me running my bubble bath and just kind of playing around on the computer. If I do decide to do some financials tonight or do a financials tonight, then I'll kind of record that process so y'all can see. Since I only have 3 left, I have time to kind of show y'all what that looks like for this company, because each financial process or each month-end process is different depending on what company you are. I want to sit on it. So tell me why you deserve. Why I should. Okay, y'all, so I tried to record me doing a financial in Windows, but it would not let me record because I'm remoting into my work computer. So I'm gonna have to figure that process out so that I can show y'all how I do that. But as of right now, I'm drinking all my wine. It's a peach sangria through my coffee mug, but don't judge me, okay? And then I'm gonna take a bath, my bubble bath with the melatonin and the cannabis, and then I'm gonna go to bed. And so I think this is going to end the vlog. I'm hoping this is like vlog 2. Why y'all didn't tell me my... Y'all ain't no good. Why y'all didn't tell me my bun was wop-sided? Yeah,